What is up, Vicky fam, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about my personal curly hair necessities. When it comes to hair care, I know that a lot of us have a lot of tools and there's a million and one things out there that we all want to try to see works for us. I have quite a few things here with me, so I just wanted to share them with you because I have gotten a few DMs on what I use for my hair, so I was like, why not just put up a video on the things that I use. For this video, it's just going to be tools based, just the things I use on an everyday basis to help with my hair. If you guys are interested in the products that I use, please feel free to let me know down below. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so these products are going to be in no particular order. I'm just going to go ahead and grab and go. First things first is a shower cap here. And this is basically for my deep condition days when I want to do, you know, my deep conditioner and my hot oil treatments. Usually I'll put the product in my hair, work it in there, and once that's worked in, I put the shower cap on top for about 30 minutes, and it works as a barrier as well as traps in all of the heat that I either put on my hair due to an attachment blow dryer headpiece. I think that's how you call it. Maybe not, but I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Or if I just want to have just the regular heat on my head with a towel over it and just have my hair deep conditioned, that's a necessity for me. If you don't have shower caps or don't want to bother with that, I know that some people, even myself, sometimes when I do run out of this, they use the plastic grocery bags from the grocery store and it works the same. A little tip there. So next product that I have here is a microfiber towel. Love, 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 love this thing. So when it comes to drying my hair, when I get out of the shower on my wash days or my co-wash days, I will use a microfiber towel as well as a cotton t-shirt, just because it doesn't tug on my hair and it doesn't take out a ton of water like a regular towel would. And on top of that, it's more gentle. The microfiber towel has definitely helped with my hair care, because usually when I come out of the shower and I did use a towel, my hair just was not the greatest, and then I would have to keep spraying water into it just for my products to, you know, get put back in. But little did I know it was my towel that was drying out my hair. Curly hair struggles. So yes, this is a staple. This microfiber towel is from the Main Choice. This video is not sponsored, by the way, by any of these brands. This is just something that I'm sharing with you guys. But this is the Main Choice towel. It's pretty big and it works wonders. I absolutely love this. So the next hair care necessities that I have to talk about are head wraps. So first things first, I have a satin head scarf right here. This is from Melanin haircare. Y'all, if you guys know how to keep this on at night, because your girl be struggling, like I'll do it and this, it just won't stay. But I absolutely love this, so soft. Next product that I have is this slap cap. So I have this in two colors, black and tan. It was a buy one get one free. It was from Grace Hellier, I think that's what it's called. I'm sorry y'all, I don't know what it's called, but it's just a satin slap cap, just regular fabric on the outside. I think it's cotton, and then on the inside you have satin. So on days where you're really lazy, you don't want to do anything with your hair, don't want to be bothered with it, or if you just want to wear it at night, just slap this on, call it a day, and your hair is protected. Next thing, I do have a regular bonnet. I don't know where it is. I think it's like buried in my sheets somewhere. But yes, I usually sleep with a regular bonnet, but again, nothing stays on my head at night. So I don't know if y'all got any tips, tricks, whatever, let me know down below. I also have this satin scarf bonnet thing. I don't even know what it's called. So I usually use this when I do my twist outs. I don't really like to pineapple my hair, just because when I went to my hairstylist, I had to get it cut this short because I would always wear buns all the time, and then I would also pineapple my hair at night. Little did I know that because of the tension from the hair tie that I was using, it was like breaking my hair off to this length. With my twist outs, the twists are protected in here and I can sleep, no worries. This one doesn't fall off of my head at all, so I'm grateful for that. And I think it's because this elastic thing, it's a little snug. So the next tool that I have are these hair ties. So these are, I don't know, the spiral Invisibobbles, I think they're called. Invisibobbles. Y'all, these keychain looking hair ties, I don't know what I was sleeping on, but I absolutely love them because when it comes to putting my hair up in a bun, this is my holy grail. Usually I use those black hair ties, the flat ones, but they were just too harsh on my hair. Like, I love using them sometimes. Like, I'm using it right now for this bun look, but I don't know what it is about my hair. It just wraps around it and it breaks my hair, and it always gets raveled up in it, and it's very annoying. This stuff, when I put my hair in a bun, or if I use this for this top knot bun, or what, my hair does not get tangled up in it and it doesn't break my hair. So I absolutely love this. So sometimes with hair ties, depending on how I wear my hair is too tight, or the elastic is too tight, and I tend to get headaches, which is no bueno. So I'd usually have to wrap the hair tie once, and sometimes it's not enough to keep my hair in the ponytail. I'd have to wrap it a few times, but then at that point it's just too tight, and then I have to just let it go because I get a headache. But with these, I find that I can wrap it once, twice, 3 times, and I'm fine. I don't have a headache. So hallelujah, praise the Lord. I have been using these for about 6 months now, and like I said, I absolutely love them, and they last a long time, y'all. So the next tool that I have are butterfly clips. Cannot live without these. So wash days, or the days that I decide to do different styles on my hair, it doesn't matter what it is, I love this. When I'm working in sections in my hair, these save my life, and they're only like $1, I think, at the beauty supply store. Not even $1, it's like 25 cents each or something crazy like that. I also have these crocodile clips from the Main Choice, which I do enjoy using as well. So these to section off your hair while you're deep conditioning, while you're adding products to your hair, whatever the case may be, bomb.com. Next tool I have are bobby pins. Bobby pins and I, throughout my whole hair care journey, have not been BFFs, let me tell you. I can't get them to stay in my hair. They're consistently falling out, or they're just really uncomfortable. I don't know if it's just a user error, but I found these bobby pins. These are from Conair. I think I found them at Walgreens. So for these bobby pins, as you can see, they have the ridges on them. So when I put them in my hair, it grips my hair. So it's not going anywhere. Wherever I want to put this thing, it will stay there and it will not move. So I can appreciate these grooves. I can get groovy with it. Come on with the puns. But love these because they don't move. When I tell you I've gone through so many bobby pins, it's ridiculous. And you know what they say, you consistently buy bobby pins. I've only bought this pack, and I've only needed this pack. So I'm very, very happy about that, and my pockets love me for that. Thank you. Next product that I have here that I thoroughly love and enjoy, and it's one of the best purchases ever that I have made, is this continuous spray bottle. Y'all, I used to have the spray bottle from Walmart or Sally's, wherever I got it, and it was just the crank, just ch, 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 ch. And by all means, if you got it, not knocking ya, it's fine. You know, we all got to start somewhere. But if you don't have this in your life, I suggest you get it. It is a continuous spray bottle. The best thing since sliced bread. I cannot live without this thing. So the days that I like to retouch, on my wash days where I feel like I need to, you know, put a little bit more moisture in my hair, I use this. This is a holy grail, y'all. I'm telling you, continuous spray, carpal tunnel wear. Get you a continuous spray bottle. So my next hair care necessity would be this circle brush right here. So I got this from my hairstylist from Radically Curly, Danielle Green. So she does sell this. If you go to the radicallycurly.com website, I believe she is selling these. This is a holy grail in my collection just because on wash days it saves my life. You can detangle with your hair in the shower with this, but I mainly use it for massaging my scalp. I absolutely love the way this makes my scalp feel. So it's just massaging it, removing the product buildup. It's just amazing. It's a wash day essential. I'm telling y'all, get you one. I want to get one that vibrates that people have been talking about, but I don't know. We'll see. This is doing for now. So until this one gives out on me, I'll maybe try it, but I absolutely love this product. Next thing I have is this bottle right here. So I believe I got this from Sally's, and this is for when I decide to do hot oil treatments. I mix a few different oils in here, like almond, jojoba, castor, all that jazz. Just do a whole little oil mixture. I warm it up a little bit in warm water and then do a hot oil treatment with this cap right here, and it just makes applying the oil to your hair so much easier. So definitely love this stuff. Love this thing. I have my worn out blow dryer. Need a new one. If you guys have any recommendations, I think I told you guys this in the past few videos. If you have any good recommendations on blow dryers, let me know. Other than that, they might just be the same, or maybe that's just my ignorance. But diffuser. Need I say more? So this is a curly hair essential. Using it, you're gonna want to use the low to cool heat setting. You're not going to want to continuously put heat on your hair every wash day, co-wash day, touch-up day, whatever it is. But this thing, if you want defined bomb.com curls, diffusing, baby. Diffusing, baby. Diffusing. Like, curls are going to be spinning naughty. Just love this thing. And then, of course, when I'm done diffusing, after I've let my hair sit for a little bit, if I want just a smidgen of volume, I put this baby on cool and high, blast it, and I get a little bit of volume, and it's great. So the next thing that I have is a deep condition dryer attachment thingamajig. So I got it from Sally's, and it's this thing. So it's this cap that goes over your head, and this part right here attaches to your blow dryer, and you put it over your head, and basically it's just it's either a dryer, or sometimes I use it for my deep conditioner. So when I use it for my deep conditioner, I put on my cap, put this thing over it, deep condition for about 20-30 minutes. Curls are bomb. I use it as a dryer for when I do the perm rod sets or a flexi rod set. If I'm doing a twist out and I want my curls to be dry, I'll go ahead and do that for about 20-30 minutes before I go to sleep, so I'm not sleeping on wet hair. Alrighty, y'all, so for the last set of tools that I have are like brushes and combs and whatnot. So for a long time I had been sleeping on this product. I didn't think that it was going to work. I was struggling until I just decided to go out on a whim and get it. And it's this Tangle teezer, y'all. This thing, say no more. It just moves through my curls. Some days when your hair a little matted, it's hard to get through your hair. So this saves my life every time. Like, just love it. Next tool is my handy dandy Denman brush. So before I discovered the Tangle teezer, I would detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb and this thing. Granted, it's all right for detangling, but I mainly use this for definition. I love the way this thing makes my curls look. After everything's added in, I like to go through and brush under just to give my hair a little bit more volume, and this defines the curls like no other. Next thing I have, of course, I think everybody has this, every curly girl, is a wide tooth comb. So just depending on how my detangling session is going, depends on whether or not I use my Tangle teezer or my wide tooth comb, or sometimes I use both. It just depends on how my knots are coming out. You know, you just got to get a feel of it. Maybe sometimes this works better, sometimes this works better, but love them both. So for this next product, I recently just started using this to lay the parameters of my hair. I wouldn't say I have edges, okay? Like I don't have baby hairs. To lay the parameters of my hair down, this thing, whew. So on here, it has a comb for your edges. It has this part right here where you can scoop the product instead of, you know, using your fingers, but, you know, depending on how I feel, I use both. And then it has another comb part right here, as well as the bristles. So anywho, I was sleeping on this for a really long time, you guys, and I never used edge control. Yes, I just started using edge control when I went to my now stylist, which was back in September. So I ended up getting edge control, which I love the main choices. It's just what works best for me at the moment. And I use that and whew, she's good. She's flat. The flyaways are gone. For my whole hair, I usually use just the boar brush for that for the rest of my hair. So last product that I have here is this pick. So I was sleeping on this for a while too, y'all. I did not know that a pick would help give your hair the volume that it needed. Like for real. I was sleep. And I would use this on days that I want my hair really, really voluminous, or if it was really flat. And it's bomb. It's bomb. What can I say about it? You want more volume? Get a pick those curls out, and call it a day. Hey. So yeah, I think that's all I have for the curly hair necessities. I might have left something out. I don't know if I mentioned my satin pillowcase, but in case I didn't, I usually like to sleep with a satin pillowcase. Like I told you guys, my scarves and bonnets consistently come off at night. So in order to protect my hair as best as I can, I bought a satin pillowcase for me to sleep on. So if the bonnet comes off, at least my hair isn't getting dried out or anything by a regular pillowcase. The satin pillowcase is helping out with that. The days that I don't want to sleep with a bonnet, I just sleep on my pillowcase. The only reason why I don't just sleep on a satin pillowcase is because my hair does not last long. Like I sleep too rough and my hair is frizzy and everywhere. It doesn't matter if I have a satin pillowcase or whatever the case may be. My hair needs to be in a bonnet, protected, so that my wash days last longer. But I think that's all I have. I think that's all I have for today. Yes, I might have forgotten a couple things. I don't know. That's all I have right here. I just gathered a few things that I knew were my staple. If there's any videos that you guys want to see at all, please feel free to let me know down below. Message me. If you are not following me on any other platform, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I have a TikTok at Thick Fit and Pretty. If you guys are not a part of the Thicky fam, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video, share it with your friends, your mom and them, your auntie and them. So join the Thicky fam, get the combo started. I hope you guys are still staying safe and loving your family. But until next time, stay thick, fit, and pretty. Love y'all.